A waterfall is a natural phenomenon that occurs when a river or a stream flows over a steep drop or cliff, causing the water to fall freely through the air before landing in a pool or a body of water below. Waterfalls can vary in size and shape, ranging from small cascades to massive plunges, and can be found all over the world. They are often considered a beautiful and inspiring natural wonder and are a popular tourist attractions in many areas. The sound of the falling water, the mist created by the impact, and the beauty of the surrounding landscape make waterfall a unique and memorable sight to behold. Waterfalls can be classified into several types based on their characteristics. Some of the common types of waterfalls are Plung waterfall. A plung waterfall is a type of waterfall where the water drops vertically without touching any rock on its way down. Examples of plung waterfall include Angel Falls in Venezuela and Yosemite Fall in US. Hostile waterfall. A hostile waterfall is a type of waterfall where the water falls in a single broad sheet over a steep cliff, maintaining some contact with the rock face. Examples of hostile waterfalls include the Bridewell Fall in Yosemite National Park and Gullfoss Waterfall in Iceland. Tiered waterfall. A tiered waterfall is a type of waterfall where the water falls in a series of drops or steps, each separated by a flat pool of water. Examples of tiered waterfall include the Guangxi Falls in Laos and Iguazu Fall on the border of Argentina and Brazil. Cataract waterfall. A cataract waterfall is a powerful large waterfall with a lot of water flowing over it. Examples of cataract waterfall include the Niagara Fall on the border of Canada and the US and the Victoria Falls on the border of Zambia and Zimbabwe. Block waterfall. A block waterfall is a type of waterfall where the water spread out horizontally as it falls, creating a broad curtain of water. Examples of block waterfall include the Didier waterfall on the border of China and Vietnam and the Thonghannock Fall in the US. The highest waterfall in India is the Jog Fall, also known as the Gorsappa Falls, located in the state of Karnataka. The Jog Fall is formed by the Sharavati River, which drops from a height of 830 feet, 253 meters, in four distinct cascades named Raja, Rani, Rover, and Rocket. The Jog Falls is a major tourist attraction and is particularly popular during the monsoon season when the falls are in full flow. Thanks for watching. If you are liking this video, must subscribe.